Okay, so we have an imported range set of information that we would like to conditional format. Conditional format is not working as we know it, and it is probably driving you absolutely nuts. So after hours of searching, I've got your answer. I'm going to walk you through from beginning to end on how to create a conditional formatting, highlight your cells based on different cell goals in the sheet. If you like this tutorial, I guess I don't say this enough, please, please, please subscribe. That way I can keep my tutorials short and simple. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy what I have here, and then I'll show you from start to finish on how to set this up. So I want my cell C11 to highlight green or red based off of my goal in C6. So we will go to Format, Conditional Formatting. You can see it's applying to cell C11, which is the one I want it to highlight. We're going to change this Format Cells If, drop that all the way down to Custom Formula Is. And the formula that you will enter is equals value, your cell that you want to highlight, minus C11. If it is greater than or equal to the value in cell C6, which is right here, I want it to highlight just green numbers, and I want them to be bold. Done, and we are all set. I'm going to add another one, same cell. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Custom formula is going to paste it because I already have it. I'll post it in the first comment for you to copy and paste. Equals value C11 is less than value C6. Then I want it to be red and bold. Done. And we have that cell completely formatted. So now I want to do the same exact thing for cell 14. I want it to highlight green or red based off of cell C12. And again, this is on an import range. This is not your typical conditional formatting. If it's just regular, it's a slightly easier process. You do not have to enter the equals and value. Also, if you love this, please subscribe. All right, so format, conditional formatting. We are now applying to C14. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Custom formula is, paste my formula that I have, equals value C14. If it's greater than or equal to the value in C12, then I want it to highlight green and bold. Again, if you love this, please subscribe. Thanks. Short and sweet. Hope you have a great rest of your day.